In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and change the admin URL in Prestashop. To start, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your shop's admin login page. You'll do this by using your shop's domain followed by the admin URL. Once you're there, you'll see the login screen where you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure to double check your credentials before moving on, as this will ensure a smooth login process. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to continue. If everything is correct, you should be redirected to your Prestashop back office dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your online store, including products, customers, orders, and more. Upon successfully logging in, take a look at the URL bar in your browser. Here you will find your admin URL. Typically the admin folder is named admin followed by a random sequence of numbers or letters. This is an important detail to note if you're planning any customizations or need to reference your admin login location later on. Your complete admin login URL will look something like this: yourwebsite.com admin xxx. Remember, the sequence of numbers or letters after admin is unique to your installation, so it's crucial to keep it private and secure. Now, if you're interested in changing or renaming your admin login URL for additional security, here's how you can proceed. First, you'll need to access your Prestashop installation's root directory. This can be done through your web hosting account's file manager or by using an FTP client. Either option will give you direct access to the files on your server. Once you're inside the file manager or FTP client, navigate to the directory where Prestashop is installed. In this directory, you should see a folder named admin followed by those unique random characters. Renaming this folder is a straightforward way to change your admin login URL. Simply choose a new name for the folder, but ensure it remains something you'll remember. This new name could be anything that doesn't include admin, which enhances your site's security by obscuring the usual path hackers might look for. To wrap things up, once you've renamed your admin folder, your new admin login URL will change accordingly, so remember to bookmark this new URL for easy access in the future. And there you have it, you've successfully located and changed your Prestashop admin URL, enhancing the security and customization of your online store. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.